Start.
Hi, hello. How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. What is your name?
My name is Manish Kumar, and your name?
My name is Priranjan. And your what is your father's name?
My father's name is Sri Ramesh Kumar Gupta, and what is your father's name?
My father's name is Let Mahan Singh. And what is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Gayatri Devi, and what is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Meera Devi.
What is your father?
My father is no more, but he was a farmer.
Okay. What is your mother?
My mother is a doctor.
Okay. Why your mother is a doctor?
My mother treat patients, so my mother is a doctor.
Your mother suggests you a doctor is a very good person.
Yeah.
How?
My mother suggests me a doctor is a good doctor have a good personality.
You are become a good doctor.
No, I don't want to become a doctor.
Why you? But your mother is a good become a doctor. So why you are not a doctor?
I am not interested in biology, so I am not become
But
a
why
doctor.
you are not interested in biology? Biology is a good subject.
No, I think I don't like biology, so I don't become a doctor.
Which subject you like most?
Mathematics.
Why you are like mathematics?
Because my mathematics is so good, so I like mathematics.
Then what is your dream?
My dream NDA.
NDA. You know what is the process of NDA?
Yeah, I think I know.
What is? Please tell me.
First of all, if you score 95 plus percentage in intermediate examination, then you sit the IIT mains examination, and you go to interview in NDA, and if you don't get 95% in intermediate examination, then you appear NDA examination. Then if you want high score, then you get opportunity to this join Indian Army interview.
Yeah, you are right. If you get 95%, then NDA only call you interview. Okay.
Yeah.
You are right. Then why you are join NDA? Please tell me.
I want to serve my country in deeply, so
How can you say you serve your country?
like that. My father's dreams is my son is a good person. My son is a gentleman. He got a good personality and he serve country. So I want.
As far as I know, your father is died.
Yeah.
Late. Okay.
Yeah.
Then how can you say your father dream is my child is served to India?
My father dreams. He don't say anything.
Your father say you.
Yeah.
Then you are born. Then your father is live.
Yeah.
Okay. It's your turn.
Okay. What is your father?
My father is a good businessman.
What are you doing now?
Present time I talk to you.
What are you preparing?
My preference is a good person.
What is your father's business?
My father's business is bond type.
Sorry?
Bond type.
One side.
Yeah.
Do you want to support your father's business?
Yeah, I want to support my father's business.
What is your goal?
My goal is a good person. Become a good person.
Like that?
Like that good person, like Mahatma Gandhi. Yeah. Yeah.
I think it is impossible.
Yeah, it is impossible, but I will try.
Okay.
Continue.
How feel you are comfortable talk to me?
Yeah. I am comfortable.
Why you are comfortable talk to me?
You are if a sir gave me a golden opportunity to talk with you, and you are comfortable, you are speak with me in fluency, so I am comfortable to talk with you.
If your friend is not good speak fluency English, then you are not comfortable.
Yeah, I am not comfortable.
So similarly, please you ask me question, then I am feel good. But you are not asking me question, then I am not feel good. Okay.
Okay, I
Yeah.
will try. Sorry.
Manish,
Yes.
one question from my side. You asked from that guy, why do you not want to talk with girls?
Oh yeah. Please tell me. As far as I know, if you are talk to any girl, then you are not comfortable. Why? Please tell me.
Sorry, I don't know, but sir many times gave me golden opportunity to talk with girls, but I am not comfortable to talk
Why?
with any girl.
Because your house in your mother, she is girl. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you talk to our mother. Then why you are not talk to any girl?
I don't know, sir. Maybe,
Why you don't know? Please tell me.
maybe my confidence level is not high.
Why your confidence level is not high?
Because I am not talking with any girls.
Why? Why?
I don't know.
This is not good because you are present time you pursuing 11th. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Then if you are not talk to any girl, this is not good because if you are going to NDA. If you are going to NDA interview, then you know what over there interviewer are ready. Okay.
Yeah.
Then how can you talk to lady?
I am comfortable to talk with any lady, but I am not comfortable to talk with any
But
girl.
lady is a girl.
Yeah,
Then
I
how
know.
can you say I am talk to lady but I am not talk to girl?
Suppose that if any girls, I don't connected I with any girls.
You know what? You know what? Girl and boys eyes is same. Then how can you say is girl eyes is different?
I don't know, but I am not I am not connected girls eye.
Okay, this is your very default. Okay,
Yeah, I am. I know, and I will try to.
I suggest you please you make conversation with girl. Okay,
Yeah.
then your comfortable level is very high. Okay, yeah.
I will try to next time.
Manish, are you trying to misguide him?
No, I
Then
don't.
why are you forcing him to talk with girl?
Because the present time any boy is talk to any girl. Okay, this is reality our life.
Not for bad reason. Okay, in this class everyone talks with each other with good reason.
Yeah, good reason. I know. Okay, ask me a question.
Sorry, ask me a question. I
Okay.
have no any question for you.
And you have no enough time. You have just about 3 to 4 minutes. You have
Yeah, I know.
to conclude.
Please tell me which coaching is the best coaching in Patu?
I think if you want to speak English, then you join Niral English classes. I come over there. After that, I go. Sorry. After that, I increase my confidence level and speak fluently English with anyone. But without girl, इससे पहले before this I joined another classes, but I am not comfortable there. So I joined English classes. I will suggest to you everyone, if you want to speak English, then you join Niral English classes.
Chalo, give a big hand for all.